Hi, today we are going to learn some amazing shortcuts to know how one number is divisible by another number. In math, we call them as rules of divisibility. So let's have some fun learning these incredible rules. As we will proceed, we will learn divisibility rules for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 12. Let's start by learning divisibility rule for 2. Any number whose last digit or the unit digit is even, that is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, they are divisible by 2. For example, 250, unit digit is even here, so it is divisible by 2. Also in 1856, unit digit is even, so these two numbers, they are divisible by 2. Okay, let's talk about divisibility rule for 3 now. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 3. For example, in 3459, sum of the digits is 21, which is divisible by 3. Oh wow, that is interesting, isn't it? Let's see what is the rule for a number to be divisible by 4. Actually, a number is divisible by 4 if its last two digits are divisible by 4. For example, 240 and 9152. As you can see, the last two digits in these two numbers are divisible by 4. Isn't it simple and yet amazing? Great. Let's take a look at the divisibility rule for 5. Okay, a number is divisible by 5 if the unit digit is either 0 or 5. For example, 250 and 1915. Pretty simple, huh? Now, the divisibility rule for 6. A number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by 2 as well as 3. For example, 3954. Let's check for 2 first. Oh yes, unit digit is 4, which is even. Therefore, this number is divisible by 2. Let's check for 3 now. Oh great, sum of the digits is 21, thus divisible by 3 too. So we can say that the number 3954 is divisible by 6. That's pretty interesting. Now let's see how this works for 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the last three digits of the number are divisible by 8. For example, 4080 and 45672. Last three digits are here divisible by 8. Oh wow! Did you just observe how the rules for 2, 4, 8 and 16 are on the same line? For 2, it is the unit digit which needs to be checked. For 4, it is the last two digits, and for 8, it is the last three digits. Interesting, isn't it? Similarly, we can generalize the rule for 9. It is similar to the divisibility rule for 3. Here, sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. For example, 4518. The sum of the digits is 18, which is divisible by 9. Oh wow, I love these rules. Next is the divisibility rule for 10. This is the easiest of all. A number is divisible by 10 if the unit digit is 0. For example, 250 and 900. Quite easy. Let's take a look at the rule for 12. A number is divisible by 12 if the number is divisible by 3 as well as 4. For example, 3924. Here the last two digits are 2 and 4, and that means 24 is divisible by 4. Now let's check for 3. The sum of the digits is 18, which is divisible by 3. Hence, 3924 is divisible by 12. But remember, we cannot check for 2 and 6 and say that the number is divisible by 12. It has to be checked for 3 and 4. Now let's apply our learning on a question. So the question is like, if 4692 is divisible by 12, then what is the sum of all possible values of n? Okay, so in order to answer this question, we need to look for those values of n which makes the number divisible by, yes, you are right, 3 and 4. Let's check for 3 first. Divisibility rule for 3 is that the sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Sum of the known digits in this number is 12. So the value of n can be 3, 6 or 9. Now let's check for 4. The last two digits should be divisible by 4. 32 is divisible, yes. 62, no. 92, yes. Great. So the question was to find the sum of all possible values of n, that is 3 and 9 here. So 3 plus 9 equal to 12. So the answer is 12. Oh wow, my life has become so simple with these rules. I can use them to check the divisibility of number as big as the existence of human being in this universe. Oh great. Okay, so that's it. If this video interested you, you can watch more videos in Manya, the Princeton Review Knowledge Series. Have a good day.